Hello guys and welcome to another video, and in this video I will show you guys how to make your very own hologram. So a hologram is essentially a device which projects an image in a 3D format, and after watching this video you will be able to make it yourselves at your home, as it is a very simple DIY project. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, all you would need is a CD case or a cassette case, a screen cleaner, a pen or a pencil, a microfiber cloth, a cutter, tape and a graph paper. So guys, you use the graph paper to draw a rhombus with the following sizes: 1 cm by 3.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And if you're feeling ambitious, you can always double those or triple those according to your device's screen size, but I recommend you stick to these sizes. Next, you can cut out the formed rhombus and keep it to the side. And now you need to bring in the CD case or cassette case, and you need to give it a good clean, just to wipe off all the dirt that it must have accumulated over the years. After that, you take the rhombus that we formed earlier and you trace it out with the help of a cutter on a CD case. And then you can easily cut it with the help of a nail cutter, a scale, and to smoothen out the rough edges, you can use the rough part of the nail cutter that you use to smoothen out your nails. And then with all the 4 pieces acquired, you carefully tape them together and form a 3D figure which includes 4 rhombuses, as you can see in the video. So guys, this is the final product that I made, and as you can see I had 2 attempts at it. The first one was just really bad, so I had to do a second attempt. So guys, that is it. You have created your very own hologram. All you need to do is just turn off the lights and enjoy the show. So I'll link down below a couple of videos that are hologram specific, and all you need to do is just place the hologram in the center of your phone, turn the brightness to the max and enjoy the show. So that's it for this video guys. I'm Techie Rannjodh and I'm signing out. Peace from the Northeast.